County, southeastern Moore County, until 8:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 8:13 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Stinnett, or 10 miles north of Borger, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor damage to roofs, siding, and trees is possible. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Locations impacted include Borger, Fritch, Stinnett, Sanford, and Lake Meredith. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 8:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following counties in Texas: Hutchinson, Moore, and Roberts. What?